Good evening, Rockhead. We are here with another news report. Our top story tonight is about the heavy-duty cult who continue to hold what can only be described as a perversion and mockery of our ancient arena traditions. Now let's take a look at two combatants caught on camera. Thunder is a former hyena hunter who was forced to sell herself to the slavers to provide for her family, while Termite was weaned off the enzymes of an insect hive mind. Both are at the mercy of their owners who will stop at nothing to enhance their combat capacity, even if it means chopping off limbs and replacing them with prosthetics, or installing brain chips to assume control over their behavior. Speaking of horrors, the captain, owner of Anticursa Trading Company, gave us an insight into the dangers his caravans face as they traverse the wasteland. In short words, everything wants to kill you. From treacherous dust cutters hiding in layers cleverly disguised as abandoned camps, to giant wasp-like Tehun that will erase your young and your corpse. You can probably see why ATC is always hiring. Check your RogCom for recent sightings if you have to leave the premises of Rockhead, and please submit your own if you stumble upon dangerous fauna. And last but not least, the Iron Maidens have entered the competition. They're an all-female gang that's just as fierce as they're reclusive, and they're playing to win, expecting to add new teeth, hair and bones to their trophy collection. Here they are flexing their impressive physique and cybernetic implants. And that's all for Wait? We have some breaking news coming up. Sons of Beetlejuice have just launched an attack on northeastern mutant tribes. They've declared war on the entire mutant population of the wasteland, accusing their neighbors of persistent raiding and cannibalism. Stay tuned for more updates on Rockhead News.